is day 3. We're going to, what's it called?
The Virgin Islands.
The Virgin Islands. Apparently when she was there in 2015 with her family, there's some good seafood out there where they can grill seafood.
Yeah, they can grill it, or like they can cook it however you want.
Yeah.
And then there's all kinds of seafood.
So
there's
I'm gonna put it like
sea conch, and then there's abalone.
I'm
and
gonna put
there's...
pictures like right there, so you can take a look. But yeah, that's the deal right now. So it's currently, what time is it right now? Before 6 o'clock right now. We woke up a little early because of this.
Yeah, the boat guy is gonna pick us up.
Oh yeah, we decided to get the tricycle pickup because that's more cheaper. I'm glad the lady offered.
That's cheaper.
She offered a cheaper deal for us instead of a car being picked up, because it's just like 5-10 minutes away.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do that one. So B-roll, right? Yeah. Even though it looks cloudy.
I hope we can see the whole weekend.
Watch, this is right next to our boat. So we're currently
Balicasag.
snorkeling
Yeah.
at Balicasag.
Oh, sige, kuya. Oh, we're gonna see the boat. Kuya's boat. We're going there.
Oh, we went there?
Yeah.
That is hella huge.
You tried it, right?
Yeah. That was the first thing I was trying.
Okay, you want me to like go first? So
Yeah. So where are you, baby?
we're in Balicasag Island.
Oh, I pronounced it incorrectly.
Yeah. We're going to Wawikan area. I think it's different because you go to a Wawikan area and then there's the boat where you can see the fishes.
Okay.
So right now we're going to the Wawikan.
Well,
We already saw the Wawikan earlier. I was swimming.
insert clip right here.
I was eating the lumot, which was, what's lumot in English?
Oh, seaweed?
No,
Fishes?
I forgot what it's called. Yeah.
But dang, this is so clear. Look at how clean the water is. But anyway, I'm amazed by this boat. Like, how simple it is, and how they made it by scratch.
Matanggal yung slippers.
There's 2 kinds.
Whoa.
Maybe I asked them to get the abalone, which is the one I want. And then this one I want is the how big is
That's fine. What's in there?
Anong tawag dyan, kuya?
Tiger shell po.
Oh, tiger shell.
Magkano?
Tatlo, 200.
Oh, sige.
Malalaki na ito.
Kaya ko ba ito, kuya?
Hindi po.
Ano to?
Ano yan, ma'am? Tiger po.
Oh, this one too. Oh, magkano ito, kuya?
What?
Sige, look.
Oh wow. I never seen like person.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
Ito, ma'am. Gamit lang.
Magulit. Walang liter.
Ma'am, huwag walang, ano, pwede mong i-gcash.
Ay, may Gcash pa. Ay, sige, sige, sige.
At saka ito po.
Sige, magkano yan?
200 tapos 200.
Oh, sige.
Fucking scared.
Gcash ko na lang yung kulang ha. 1,000 naman. Pwede naman, may Gcash pa ko yan. Baby, look oh.
Pretty cool. This is really interesting.
Make sure the videos are nice.
I can hear you. I can hear you, you know that?
Ito po. Binibili din namin yun. Kaming time pag huli. Walang kaming time pag huli.
First time ko kakain ng this.
Sarap.
Ah, sige, itong maliit kuya, magkano yan?
200.
Hindi, ito na lang. Oh, it's moving, look.
Oh my gosh.
I can hold it.
That's an
It's so slimy.
That's an abalone?
Yeah,
Oh.
abalone.
Oh, abalone.
Baby.
What? Are we supposed to eat like that?
No, they're gonna grill it, duh.
Sisi. Yung dalawa, ma'am?
Sige, kuya. Magkano niya?
Yung una yun, ma'am.
Magkano ba yun?
Oh.
It's moving too.
Oh my god. Yeah.
This is the shell. Oh.
Stop moving. Oh, it's
It
moving.
is moving. I'll give that to you.
Oh, you boil it.
Sinasashimi. Kaya medyo mahal po siya. Pero mas masarap po siya sa...
Oh, ito yung yellow, di ba kuya?
Opo. Ito kasi kung gusto nyo ihaw o fresh, pwede po siya. Ito fresh na talaga.
This is the one I tried before.
Okay, just
Which
get
one
that.
do you want?
Both?
Kaya nyo
Whatever.
pareho.
Sige,
Para
sige
Try
kuya
it.
pa.
Get the whole
May
experience.
Gcash ka naman daw kuya?
Opo.
Okay.
Kayong lahat.
Okay, sweet.
Ano pong paborito?
There's someone floating right there.
Ano pong may ano nyo? Dito tayo nyo
Which one do you
papareho.
want, baby?
Any of them.
Para
Just
maalasahan nyo
Sige kuya,
pareho.
para.
Ang gagawin natin dito, 4 na ihaw, 4 na fresh pa.
Sige.
Ito fresh na talaga.
Sige. So magkano lahat?
Bali 600. I-pepper lang.
We're balling out here. Like spending like how much?
look at someone just floating right there. This is true.
$200.
Oh, is it really?
I feel like. Huh.
200? Really?
No, 'cause
So
there's
5,000?
six. Oh no.
No,
100.
at least
Not even
100.
100.
80. Yeah.
Look,
like-
look, baby. He's gonna grill that. And the other one, he's gonna give it to us like fresh.
How do you even get that? Yeah.
Kuya, paano kinukuha yan?
May hook po ako na ginagamit, pampamatag na may...
Oh.
Parang
That makes
So
sense.
that ginagawa.
bali.
Pero malalim, sa malalim.
Ako sinisisid po.
Parang.
Yung isa, parang lang.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Ito parang laklak ng kid.
Alright, so what is this place called? Virgin
Island.
Virgin Islands. And they're out here just cooking out just like random ass seafood. Like stuff I had never seen before, like sea urchin, tiger shell, sea conch,
Abalone. That's
And
the one
like-
I like.
and like many more, but go and pop my cherry out here.
No, but the best thing is they accept Gcash.
Oh yeah. So
if
we're
you
probably
guys don't have cash anymore, they're gonna say like they have Gcash.
yeah, people who don't know Gcash out in the States, it's just like a Venmo but in real time. But that's another discussion of the topic. But it's just funny, people are just out here chilling like right there. You see that? And then there's our boat right there.
That's our boat. This one is our boat.
Yeah, this one's our boat. No, I'm like doing selfie. But yeah, that's pretty much what it is. And then there's like a buko selling right there. Boom, right there. So I get something to eat. I make breakfast. What you only eat like fish, huh? Like fish
Yeah.
out in the island. That was called that place was called what?
Balicasag.
Balicasag.
Where we saw for weekend.
Yeah. But overall, this whole
Rice yan.
yeah, please.
Dalawa.
You want rice?
Yeah, why not?
Oh no, I don't.
Oh, you don't want rice? I want rice. No, just one scoop, please. Thank you. So, and it's like it's like raining at the same time too. It's on and off.
Yeah, there's a tent. You
Yeah.
can eat at the table.
Mm-hmm. Got a couple left already. You want to stay there? Sit.
Balan niyo po.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Medyo yan niyo po para hindi kayo. Taas niyo po.
Oh, baby. It's moving.
Yung iba kasi pag natitirik niyan, yung hindi sanay, minsan nilalagdag po. Kaya sabi nila may poison, wala po.
Oh.
Yung hindi lang sanay, ako araw-araw na nga ako natitirik niyan. Tsaka pag natinik po kayo nito, huwag nyo lang po palikutin. Kaya ano lang po, kasi yung tinik po nito, kusang nawawala po. Tsaka yung first medicine niya, pag natinik kayo nito, ihi lang po.
Ihiyan ko.
Opo.
Yung kamay ko.
Really?
Opo.
Oh, damn. Oh, damn.
Kasi
Parang jellyfish.
medyo makirot po siya pag natinik kayo nito.
Kuya, mataba yan?
Opo, may sariling ano po pala siya, hindi ko pala natin.
Yung orange?
Opo.
Oh my gosh.
Ito, makikita niyo
Look at the
naman.
eyes.
That's the eye?
Yeah.
Ano ko po sa tubig para makita. Yan.
Oh yeah, you can see it. Yeah, you can. Oh wow.
May kaibahan talaga sila.
Blue dude, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna say